Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
We'll embark on an introduction. And we want to understand what is the meaning of the word cell physiology. As the word suggests, it has something to do with the cell. And the fact that it ends with ology, it means that it is a study. So in this case, in cell physiology, we study the cell functions. So in this case, we shall look at the various structures that are found within the cell and how they carry out their functions. So we will say that cell physiology is the study of cell functions. And of course, in a cell, we know that we have different structures. We have the cell membrane, we have the mitochondria, we have the chloroplasts, if it is a plant cell. So we need to understand how those structures function within the cell. So basically, we shall be dealing with cell physiology. Now, a very important aspect of cell physiology that we also need to look at is the structure of cell membrane. We need to look at the structure of the cell membrane, because before something gets into the cell or out of the cell, it has to go through the cell membrane. So the cell membrane is a membrane or a layer that is made up of two things. It's made up of something that is called a phospholipid and a protein layer. So it's made of two layers. Made of two layers, i.e. phospholipid. I'll explain what is a phospholipid and a protein. So it's made up of those two layers. A phospholipid is a fat layer. Anything that ends with the word lipid, it means that it's either a fat or an oil layer. Then, of course, the other one is a protein layer. So what we are basically going to do, we are going to have a diagram showing the cell membrane and how it looks like. So the cell membrane looks like that. First of all, there is the first layer, assuming that this is the outside and this is the inside. So this first layer is the phospholipid. Is the phospholipid layer. And then the one that is marked using a different color, that is red, that is the protein layer. So basically we are saying that a cell membrane is made of a phospholipid layer or a fat layer and a protein layer. Now, in between the protein layer, there is a small opening here, and that opening we call it the pore, P-O-R-E. It's a hole that allows substances to get inside the cell and also outside the cell. So that opening is meant for that. We shall look at the characteristics of the cell membrane. So this is basically the cell membrane structure, which we have said is made up of two layers. There is a phospholipid layer on either side. Then there is the protein layer in between. There is a protein layer in between. So it doesn't have to be in one position. It can be in a number of positions. But basically, there is the phospholipid layer and there is the protein layer. Then in between the protein layer, there is a pore, or there is a hole that allows materials to get in or out of the cell through the cell membrane.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,